parish, love and care for the poor. At God's love is personified in Jesus who went to the cross for us. At sa famous na chapter po, ang verse, John chapter 3, verse 16, for God loved the world so much that He gave His only Son, so that everyone who believes in Him may not die but have eternal life. Dito po ito po yung sinasabing salvation and eternal life comes through belief in Jesus. And dito po sa panawagan na ito, we are called to be Christ's witnesses. And as our marching orders,